Hi everyone, this is tutorial number 2 of C# basic programming. So what is the agenda of today? Today, first of all, we will run the program of hello world. Then we will understand the console.writeLine method. After that, then we will understand the syntax of C#. And in the last, we will print the text with different examples. So first of all, let's open the Visual Studio. Here Visual Studio 2022. Let's create a new project. And then you choose your language. I will choose C# because I am starting from C#. Then it is by default, and we will select our type. I already select the console type. So there are two templates. I will choose the .NET Core, and I will click on the next button, and I will type my project name, C# basic programming, and click on next button. Then I will choose the framework version. How many I have? I have 3.0, which is the previous version, and 3.1 it is the next version of 3.0, and the next coming version was 5.0, and the current version is .NET 6.0. So I will choose the .NET 6.0. Let's create the project, and our project is creating. So to better understand, I will create a folder. Go to the add and click on the new solution folder, C#. I will write here the name of our folder name, C# basic, C# basics, and click on it, and then I will move my project into this folder by cut, and then I will paste into this folder. So my project into this folder is here. Now the by default our file is open program.cs. This is our program.cs file, and you can see that there one line is written here by default, console.writeLine, and that will print hello world. You can check it by running our project. We can run the project from this button. Let's click on it. So our project is running. First off, it will be built and it will print the hello world. So it is by default. Let's do it with more. I will write here my name, Asif Saeed, and let's do it. So it will print the Asif Saeed, and now we understand the console.writeLine method. What is actually it? So console is belong to the class system.console. So I hover on it. It is saying that it represents the standard input, output, and error stream for console application. So it is basically print our text into console window, and writeLine is a method of console class which take the string argument, and there are also 70 overloads are there in console class. So when you go into this class, click on it. So there are a lot of properties are there, and you can see here right, and different methods are there with different parameters we can use according to the requirements. So how it is working? So it is working like this from this method. So I added a text file. Let's read it. We are running the program of hello world. It was a simple printing. Let's print in different ways. First, we print our text by using variable. Let's take the code and paste there, and press enter, and let's comment this line and add this. So I am using name variable which have the type of string, and we print this variable. So in the coming lecture we will discuss the what are the variables and how many kind of variables. So for the sake now we are learning about how we can print our text in different ways. Let's print this variable. So it is printing the name. It is actually printing the name. So if do you want to see how it is printed, let's put the breakpoint. It is the breakpoint. Let's run the code. So it hit there. You can see that as if text is coming into this variable, and then we print this variable. So it is by using variable. So let's continue this code, and you can see in the console window as if it's print there. Let's take another example. Let's print with concatenation. Let's take this code and paste there. So it is concatenation operator by using concatenation. So now I print the variable with hello string or another text. Concatenation is used to concatenate two strings. One string is there which is static, and the other string is there which is coming from this variable. So let's print it. So it print the hello as if. So it is printing hello as if. Let's take another example, which is by using curly braces and string interpolation. So what happened when I want to print this variable into this quotation? So when I print this into console, so it is simple printing hello name, but it should be hello as if. So for this we will use curly braces, but first of all we should press the $sign, and then we take the curly braces, and in curly braces we will put our variable, then it will print the as if. So by this we can print our variable by using string interpolation or curly braces. So it is printing hello as if. Let's take another example. It was string interpolation. Let's take another example, which is by using multiple variable. Let's take, it is similarly like this. Let's paste here. There are two variables, first name and last name. It should be removed. It will print the hello as if side. So it is printing hello as if side. And let's take another example. Now I want to count how many letters in my this variable. So I will simply use dot length property, and it will tell me how many letters in my string. So I will copy the code from there, and it will tell us how many letters in this variable. Let's print this. So my name letters are 4. So I am using this property. So when I click dot button, then it is showing me different kind of methods and properties. So we will use one by one with the passage of time. So I am just using length. So it is printing the length of string. My name letters are 4. So today lecture is completed. We will meet you with next lecture with variables and data types. So thank you so much for watching.